Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this unicorn wizard. Great, let's get started. First we're going to draw the opening of her little cape. Okay, we're going to stop there because I just want to do a tiny little bow, a little tie, because her cape is tied, so there's going to be a little oval there. And then this part kind of comes down. And then we'll do another one on this side. Okay. And I'm just going to add two little lines to make it look like it's tied. Okay, we'll continue with her face after. We're going to do the unicorn first. So we're going to do this unicorn horn. We're going to try to make it looking more dimensional today. So you do that line. Okay, and we'll do 3 more. It really looks like it's curved around. And one last one to a point like that. Well done, everyone. Okay, we're going to continue the cape around and we're going to stop about here. So we're going to start about here. Okay, you want to turn your paper, you can do it this way. It's actually easier this way. It goes out just a tiny bit, and then we're going to bring that back around. Well done, everyone. Okay. Now let's give her some ears. So they just go to a point. And back down. And then the inner part of her ear. Now to measure the other ear, just bring your pencil across and mark your dot. One line. Well done. And then do the inner part. Good job, everyone. Okay, I'm going to give her a little face. We are going to give her some hair. Her hair kind of comes out a little bit. You only see a tiny bit of her hair. Okay. And then we're going to do her nose next. Her nose looks like a little heart. A tiny little heart. Just like that. And then the bottom part of her mouth. She has a nice little smile, just like that. Okay, we're gonna give her really, really big eyes. And later on when we put some highlights, it'll look really, really good. It'll pop. Do some eyebrows first, just simple. One on one side and the other. Now we're gonna do really big eyes. The good part about this is we're coloring them in black, so you can kind of add to it even if you don't get them perfect. And I'm going to color in my highlights as usual. And you can decide after if you have a black highlight marker, you can use that. And I'm going to just add a little bit of a flick out here to give her some eyelashes. I love eyelashes. I think they look so good. All right, I'm going to turn my paper slightly. I'm trying to make the same size. I think I made this eye a little bit bigger. That's okay though. I did, so it's fine. I'll just add a little bit more to this eye if you do it by accident. And I'm going to do a little flick out as well. Okay, I'll let everyone catch up. Well done. I just want to do one small line here. It's the bottom of her face. Okay. Let's start forming the top part of her little cape. It's going to go down to about there, so they're a bit odd. We're going to do another line like that. I want to make the cape look like it has ripples in it. Okay. Now I'm going to bring that line all the way down. That's going to be the top part of her foot. Bring that line all the way down as well. Now we're going to bring, that's the top part of that side. And then I'm going to do one last one. It's going to go in a bit, out, and up to a point. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to do her little paws. They're out in the front. They're down and up. Very simple. And on this side, the same thing. In a little bit and up. There's just a tiny little bit of the bottom of her belly. And then we're going to do her feet. Like that. And then the paws of her feet, they're just big circles. All right. And then do 3 of her little toes. All right. And we're going to do another foot here. And then we're going to do the same at the bottom here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's give her a little tail. We're going to give her a little tail. I might add some more black lines that after, but I'm going to color it, I think, first with different colors. I think it'll look really cute. Let's finish her off. We're going to draw a couple stars on her cape. So this star is hidden behind in the crease, so you're not going to see the whole thing. You're just going to see the top of it. And then this one, we're going to do a couple up here as well. Since she is a magical, mystical wizard unicorn. I think I'm going to paint her cape or draw her cape. I'm going to do like a purple, like a really deep purple. Maybe we'll do different colors. Some purples and pinks. Now, do we need any more stars? I feel like there's not enough. I might do one more here. A little tiny one right in the corner. Hidden away. And another little dot. Okay, how does she look? Does everyone like her? I think she looks really cute. Let's color her in. I'll show you step by step above what colors I'll be using, but anything you have at home will do to color in. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this magical wizard unicorn. See you next time. Bye.